Hello everybody, this is a short video on how you can sell and buy cryptocurrency on Bittrex and also how you can trade them on Bittrex. This is the page, it's called bittrex.com. It's a very popular cryptocurrency exchange, and what you first do is you go here and make an account, and then if you have one, you can come back every time and log in with your email address. I'm going to do this real quick. Just a moment. Then of course I've got a 2FA, two-factor authentication running, which is highly recommended, because what it does is you need a second kind of verification that only you have on the computer here or on your phone. So this is a second layer of security for you. So we have Bittrex here, and it's also cool because you only have this second verification code for a couple of seconds. So as soon as it expires, there's a new one, and this is another layer of security for you. So you simply copy this, put it in, and there you go. It should work fine. You can go here to settings to set this all up and to start with securing your account. Right here, two-factor authentication. So what you do is you go here, it is enabled of course, and what you do is you link this to the Google Authenticator, for example, or the Authy app that I am using here. It's called Authy. It's also an app for your phone, and it adds a second layer of security. Okay, but we're here to have a look at the wallets and at the markets. So this is the main site, and as you can see right here, you have your wallets. So when you have a Bittrex account, you have a lot of different coins you can trade on Bittrex. I don't know the exact number right now, but as you can see here, it's about 23 pages of coins. Okay, and of course one of them is Bitcoin, right? And what you do is basically you send the Bitcoin you have on your wallet, or that you have purchased on Coinbase or mined with a company. You send them here by simply clicking the plus button on the Bitcoin wallet. You click the plus, which means there is a deposit address right here. Okay, so you simply let Bittrex create this address for you. This has already been created, and you copy this. Okay, and then you go to your Coinbase account or your wallet where you have stored your Bitcoin, and you just take this and send the Bitcoin to the wallet of your Bittrex account. Once that's done, it will show up in your available balance. So right here you see Bittrex is sorting these wallets from top to bottom, and it's showing only the wallets that have actually got funds on them. So right now Bitcoin is 0.000386667 and so forth. I have some Ethereum Classic, I have some Eon coin, some Whitecoin, some Darknet, some Ripple, some Hemp coin, Syscoin, Waves and Stratis. Okay, so for example, let's see, what can we do now? Okay, let's say I have only a few of Ethereum Classic right now. Let's go and sell them, okay? Oh, and by the way, if you wanna withdraw your coins to an external wallet, you simply go here and click the minus button. There will be this window showing up, and you simply put in your external wallet address or your mobile wallet address, wherever you want to send it. Put it in here, put in the amount, and there is a little tiny fee that's subtracted when you send Bitcoin. That's really small. Then you just click withdrawal. You have to put in your security password, and it will send the Bitcoin out of Bittrex to your wallet. Okay, now how do you buy or sell? We are going to go into the Ethereum Classic market. Just click on the name, and then this shows up, this window. First of all, you have some market data here of the last hours, and this video is not gonna be about how you analyze this or how you trade. It's only about the function and how this all works. Okay, so right here on the right hand side you have some data that's very interesting. It's, for example, the volume of the last 24 hours. It's the bid price and the ask price, and the highs and lows of the last 24 hours, which gives you a nice overview of where the value is right now, and it's also written here in dollars and in Bitcoin. Now this value is interesting because this is the Satoshi value. As we all know, Bitcoin can be divided by 8 digits behind zero. So it can be divided in very small parts, and one Satoshi, which would be 7 zeros and a 1 in the back, is the smallest amount of Bitcoin you can get. Okay, so that's very important to know that this is called a Satoshi, and 100 million Satoshi, so we would have 3 zeros, 3 zeros, and then 2 zeros and a 1, so 1 Bitcoin would be 100 million Satoshi is 1 Bitcoin. It's very important to know. Okay, if you scroll down, you have the trading part, and if you do mid or long term trading, it's more like you go here and say, okay, I wanna buy Ethereum Classic, for example, and I want to spend 1 Bitcoin of it because I think that in the future it may go up and I can take profit from it. Right now we do the opposite. We start with selling Ethereum. You do this on the sell side, and you see that I have 0.679, so we are going to sell all of these Ethereum Classic now. You simply go there and double click, that it populates this this field here, and then all you need is a price. Okay, so you then simply go here and say, okay, what is the actual price right now? It is around 12.004. So this is the bid. The bid side means that people are bidding to pay this amount of Bitcoin for purchasing Ethereum Classic. And the ask side is just the other way around. This is how much people ask for, and they want to sell Ethereum Classic right now. Okay, so you've always got these two pages. So right now, if you want to sell it right away, you simply click here. Okay, and then you see that it takes the price of 12,059 and populates it here at BTC. And then you simply say, okay, I want to sell Ethereum Classic. A window comes up again, and you just click on confirm. Now the sell order is placed and the sell order is filled. So let's wait a second. Okay, sold. My Ethereum Classic has been sold. So I don't have any Ethereum Classic anymore, but I do have a few more Bitcoin now. Alright? So that's kind of it. That's how you do trading, and that's how you sell some coins you have for Bitcoin. Now the other way around, if you wanted to have more Bitcoin for your Ethereum Classic, if you ask for a higher price, you simply go here and say, okay, I wanna have 0.0013 Bitcoin for my Ethereum Classic. That's fine. Then there would be a sell order placed in this column, and it depends on if if someone else is buying it at that price. So you don't have an instant sell. You may have to wait a little bit until your coins are sold. And maybe they even don't get sold at all because the value goes down. As you can see here, if I would have placed an order right here at around 12,457, then during the next hours and days the value would go down. So people are not willing to pay what you ask them for. So your sell order would still be here. Okay. On the other way around, if the value would have gone up, you would have sold them at a higher price. All right. So that's what we call trading. The same goes for bids. So for buy orders, you put in on the left hand side. If you say, okay, I'm not willing to pay this amount, you can go and place a buy order, which I'm going to perform right away, for let's say 0.0011, somewhere around here. What would happen is the buy order would not be filled right now, so you have to wait until the value drops to this point, and then your buy order, your bid, would get filled. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. As I said, I've got now this amount of Bitcoin available. All right. So I can put in a bid, right? I've double clicked here, so it populates the price right here, and I have double clicked here, which says my total number I'm willing to pay is 12,005. That's the total amount of Bitcoin I have. So let's see, buy Ethereum Classic. The window comes up, the confirmation window again, and you just click confirm. Now the ETC buy order has been placed, but as I told you before, it is not filled instantly because the value or the bid I'm making is lower than someone else is bidding. So my buy order is not filled right now, so I have to wait. As soon as this happens, my Bitcoin will be converted to Ethereum Classic or to any other coin I want to purchase. And this is simply how trading works. You bid low and you sell high. That's it. Okay. Further down you have some open orders. So this is the one I've just put in. So you can always check back on the orders that have not been filled at the moment. You have a market history of all the buy and sell orders, and then you have a order history of your own orders that have been filled. So this was the sell we had before, and the buy order will then be added here later on. Okay, so that's well, this concludes a basic overview of how you buy and sell cryptocurrency on an exchange. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. If you liked the video and if you have gotten a value out of it, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now and have a great day. Bye bye, stay safe.